guys, good morning. Guys, ito lang po ang matuturo ko po sa inyo. Every morning guys, pagbangon nyo talaga guys, ito ang gagawin nyo para sa blood circulation nyo guys. One set but 20-20 guys, okay? Every morning guys, ganitong gawin nyo para sa ano natin, no? Pag bangon nyo ng pagka-umaga, ganito lang siya guys. Every morning, 20, tapos one set. Na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, 20. One set na siya, guys. Take a breath. Ganon. Take a breath lang siya, guys. So, another one set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, 20. 2 set na siya. Take a breath. Buga. Another one. Buga. So, another. So, 3 set na siya. Last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, take a breath and buga.